Here's how to go ahead and remove supervision on Instagram. First, you need to go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account, and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines in the top right to go to your settings and privacy. From here, you need to simply scroll down and search for Family Center. And there you'll see the option of supervision for teen accounts. Go ahead and tap on that. My account does not have any supervision. The options are not available, but if it's in yours, you need to go ahead and tap on the account you supervise, then tap on cancel to remove the supervision. Confirm your choice. You may also need to enter the correct form with your password, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.